Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Jog here, and we're back with Watch Dogs Part 2. It's finally focusing, but in the wrong spot. Just go over here quick. So yeah, this is like no joke. I feel like I should put it to easy, because it's so hard. I'm putting it at easy, because it's just so hard for me to do it. Like, it's legit. Like, I died like 3 times. It's so hard. I mean, when you get caught, it's hard. But if you don't, like, you're fine. What's this? Oh, my ammo is full. Okay, it's ammo. Bang. Get some, you scoob. If I get caught, it's over. We've been compromised. We've been compromised. Run. Run, 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 run. Nope, other side. I'm guess aiming, so... Shit, dude, there's so many guys. We'll get dropped. Get to cover. You crazy? Wait, is that the guy or no? No, I don't think it is. Like I said, you get caught, man. It's all over. I'm so glad I picked the assault rifle, though, out of anything. There's 2 guys over there. Ready? 2, 1. I'm still getting used to the movement of the game, I guess you can say. Pop up one more time. One more time. Get dropped. I think we're fine. We'll keep moving. I don't even know what to do. Well, that, obviously, I guess. I do it right? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh! Oh, dude, this is cool. This is pretty cool. Yo, that's actually sick, though. It's pretty cool. Okay, is that it? Yeah. It's pretty cool, this little thing. Ooh, yeah. Yeah, I'm actually kind of understanding it.
I'm hacked in. What? You mean you're in the CTOS already?
I'm looking at the network as we speak. You've got your access, and I've got mine.
Yo, this is actually really sick.
Everybody's nasty little secrets at the click of a button. This thing's highlighting all kinds of
I'm actually in love with this game now. I was kind of pissed off with it, but now I'm really into it.
Keep an eye out for online traffic. Could be fixers in the network.
If I can see them, they can see me. All right, I gotta move. I'm in a lot of noise here.
Yeah, I did.
I'll be in touch.
Alright. Pretty sure there's gonna be heavy reinforcements. Let's just go. I wanted to have a SMG pistol. SMG instead of a pistol.
What is it?
I lined up a lucrative deal with a very demanding client. He needs a driver.
No.
But here's the thing. I come in this morning, find Maurice trying to dig his way out of the guest room. So I need to move on.
Ooh, this guy looks
Now I can pass this
nice.
problem onto you since Maurice is really your problem. That's not my style. I always finish what I start, and all I'm asking of you.
All right. Fine. I'll handle it.
Well, no, don't let me put you out.
I said I'd handle it. It's the job. Exactly.
It's a delivery job. Gotta move some guy. I mean, how hard is that? Just keep in mind my reputation's on the line here. He's paying top dollar for the best driver in Chicago.
Then he's in luck.
Might as well do this. He looks to be pretty close to us right now. I'm not the best driver, God no. I'm like one of the worst drivers. Well, I know the controls and everything, so that's great for me. I just know all the controls and stuff for Watch Dogs, so it's amazing. Where is this dude? Fuck. See, I'm not the best driver, guys. It's right here. Nail it. What do you have to get out? I have to get out. I think he's in his own vehicle.
What the hell of a fixer? I made too much noise in the loop. This guy's found me. Well, now I better find him.
Well,
Tori's job will have to wait.
okay guys, that's from in the video. This is part 2. If you guys did enjoy, smash like button, subscribe if you guys are new, and I'll see you guys in part 3.